This is Google Pixel 8a, and today I'll show how you can enable the bootloader on this device. So first, simultaneously press the volume up and power buttons and power your device off. Now simultaneously press and hold the power and volume down buttons and release them once you'll see the fast boot interface. So let me press and hold once again. Now use the volume rocker to scroll this wheel here and select the recovery mode. Then press power key to confirm. Once you will see the no command interface, once again press and hold the volume or the power button and then press the volume up key once. And in the Android recovery menu, simply select the reboot to bootloader option and then press the volume or the power key to confirm. Obviously, in order for this whole endeavor to work, you will need to connect your device to computer through the Type-C to Type-A wire. But well, that's how you do that. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.